Cottage life. Sounds great, doesn't it? Telling your work colleagues, we're off to our cottage. You know what's better than owning a cottage where you enjoy those lazy summer days with friends and family, forgetting the stresses and strains of everyday life? Owning a cottage you can use 12 months a year. I'm Andrew McKay of Remax here in Wasaga Beach, and this is 31 59th Street South at the west end of the beach. What excites you about owning a cottage? Is it the short stroll to the beach and the 2-minute drive to shops and restaurants? Maybe it's the cooler autumn evenings, enjoying time around the fire pit. How about the 20-minute drive in the winter to the slopes of Blue Mountain or the cross-country skiing and snowmobiles in Wasaga Beach? 31 59th Street ticks all these boxes and more. A bright family room is just off the brand new eating kitchen. There's no problem accommodating friends and families with 2 bedrooms and a large bathroom. The added bonus is a den with more than enough space for a sleeper couch. This leads to the oversized lot and all the outdoor space you could want. Is it time to start making memories? Please do contact me for further information or to view this home.